ready to start college, we know there are a lot on your mind.
So we've put together a massive list to help you out. 100 things you need to do before starting college. We promise you this video will help you save time, money, and help you get the best out of your time in college.
Whether you're watching from high school, a gap year, or as a transfer, this video is for you. Let's get started. Review your course requirement.
It seems simple, but it's super helpful to plan out. Set up your college email and portal.
Ask your librarian to know available resources can help you save time and money. Purchase or rent textbooks.
Many websites like Amazon, Chegg, or even check your school library. Organize your study material.
Refresh your memory on key academic subjects.
Research your professors.
Plan your class schedule. Check if you need any specific software or tech.
Some classes require various programs. Luckily, companies like Adobe, Canva, Microsoft, and Apple offer student discounts. Don't pay full price. Set academic goals for your first semester. Take a look at your syllabus at the start of every semester. Make plans to get your assignments done and use apps like Google Calendar to help you.
Connect with your future classmates online. Hi! Explore club and society.
Find out about Welcome Week events. Join your college's social media groups.
Arrange a meetup with local students. Discover local hangouts and cafes.
Learn about your college town. Check out student activities.
Look into study abroad opportunities. Volunteer for campus organizations.
Try out a new hobby.
Research internships opportunities. Keep a journal. Update your resume.
Plan some personal reading. Practice public speaking.
Create a vision board.
Take a self-defense class. Develop a routine.
Learn basic repair skills, like fixing a button. Familiarize yourself with campus health resources.
Register with a local dentist or doctor if you're away from home.
Start a fitness routine.
Learn stress management techniques. Pack a first aid kit.
Identify healthy eating options on campus.
Get a comprehensive health checkup.
Understand your health insurance. Create a sleep schedule.
Experiment with mindfulness or meditation.
Open a student's bank account.
Set up a budgeting app.
Learn how to file your taxes.
Educate yourself about student loans and grants. Apply for scholarships.
Start tracking your expenses. Save for an emergency fund.
Find a part-time job or a work-study position.
Look for textbook deals and discounts.
Understand your credit score and how to manage it.
Estimate total college costs beyond tuition.
Explore high-yield savings account for your college fund.
Plan monthly savings goals leading up to and during college.
Investigate state-specific 529 plans or education savings accounts.
Discuss family contributions and expectations.
Cut unnecessary subscriptions and recurring expenses, like getting a drink every day.
Sell items you no longer need for extra cash.
Consider community college classes for general credits.
Research student discounts and cashback offers.
Attend free student financial planning workshops.
Confirm housing situation.
Plan your moving date.
Buy and pack essential living supplies.
Decorate your dorm room or apartment.
Set up utilities if off campus.
Plan your daily commute.
Organize important documents.
Research meal plans and grocery shopping options.
Meet with your roommates virtually. Bye.
Set living rules with your roommates. Yes!
Learn basic cooking skills. Master laundry basics.
Learn the basics about car maintenance.
Practice time management. Familiar yourself with local transportation like tracks or bus. I gotta go.
Understand basic home repair. Practice navigating your campus.
Upgrade your computer skills.
Take a basic finance management course.
Improve your note-taking skills. Say goodbye to your high school friends. Spend quality time with family.
Plan visits home during the school year. Arrange a going-away party.
Woo-hoo! Stay in touch with your close friends.
It's not like you're not gonna see them again anyway. Thank teachers and mentors who have helped you.
Build a support network.
Set up regular check-ins with a mentor.
Create contact lists with emergency numbers.
Prepare for homesickness with comfort items.
Double-check enrollments and tuition payments.
Download campus apps and maps.
Pack your bag.
Pack a week worth of outfits.
Load up on snacks for moving day.
Confirm class times and locations.
Set goals for your first month.
Install necessary apps and software. Organize your workplace.
Take a deep breath and enjoy the journey ahead. We hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did.
If you have your own tips, we want to hear them, so comment them down below.
Want to start at Ensign College? Click the link in the description below, and we will see you soon.